Hey everyone, this is Rob with PGH Overlanding, and we're at Cooper's Rock State Forest, and we're getting ready to walk down this trail, and we're going to look at this overlook, and it should be something big.
Oh, you can get down there.
Well, unfortunately, it looks like they're redoing the bridge, so we won't be able to get out to the main lookout. Okay, nice little, oh wow, nice little cliff right in here. Nice little trail here. That's a big rock down there. I think these rocks kind of like broke off. Oh yeah, there's people walking down there. That is pretty cool. So let's get a shot over here. You look down in there. Down there's a real deep hole. This rock right here, this big slab in between the gap over here, this big slab of rock together, used to be together. Also, that big slab over there, same thing. They just kind of fell away from the mountain. The big rocks just broke apart. It's like a big fissure right here, right down through. I'm looking at the edge right here. I'm down. I walk down. Here's that middle rock I was walking down. And here's the end of it. Looks like this piece getting ready to fall down in there. And then you can at least walk back around on that trail over there. That is pretty massive right there. Wow. That right there looks to be about 18 feet long, 12 feet high. And there's just a bunch of them stacked on top of one another. Wow. West Virginia. Beautiful state. All right, I'm back on the side that has not collapsed. Walking back up to this one trail. It's gonna take us back to the beginning. We're here at the Henry Clay Furnace. There's a trail. I just walked down halfway. It goes down over the hill too far. I'm not in shape to do that right now. It's a mile down and a mile back. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribers, please like and share. Get the content out, build this channel. It motivates me, everyone, when you hit a like button or even make a comment. So thank you for watching.